going to travel in my spaceship? Let's board the spaceship because we're gonna travel through the solar system.
To the planets of outer space.
Leaving Earth towards the first planet.
Turning right. There it is. Counting the planets through space. I go. Counting the planets through the solar system.
Turning left to Mercury I go.
It's the first planet, the smallest planet. Yes, indeed.
Close to our sun.
Let's go to number 2.
Leaving Mercury,
I go to another planet.
counting the planets.
I go to Venus.
Number 2.
It almost shines like the sun. Counting the planets through space, I go. Counting the planets through the solar system.
To the third planet, we're going to travel back to our Earth.
And we have to take care of it.
It's the third planet.
It's a great place.
The world we live in.
It's full of life.
This is our home. We have more planets to go.
Let's take off.
There are many planets, and we're going to count them, and we'll know it by its unique name.
Counting the planets through space, I go. Counting the planets through the solar system. We've just arrived at the 4th planet. Like a weekday, Mars is its name.
Being the red planet,
Is its peculiarity.
because a good neighbor.
We want to visit it. Counting the planets through space, I go. Counting the planets through the solar system.
The 5th planet is truly big,
Jupiter is its name. They named it after a god
the greatest of all, and it has a great cyclone.
that never stops. Let's leave.
The 6th is Saturn.
It's a great lord, famous for its rings, visible from the sun. Counting the planets through space, I go. Counting the planets through the solar system.
It's the 7th planet. We arrive at Uranus,
A planet without equal,
a giant ice cream.
always rotating on its side.
I'm frozen. Get on the ship.
We better go.
The last planet.
Of the solar system,
This is the 8th.
it's the farthest,
It's called Neptune.
believing itself to be a god
It's always far away.
because of its strong winds. It's cold and wet. Counting the planets through space, I go.
Counting the planets through the solar system.
Counting the planets through the solar system. Counting the planets through space, I go. Counting the planets through the solar system.
Now let's return to Earth.
Did you enjoy the ride?
Until next time.